just simply start a return. This opens a new page, and here I can already see the, like what is going to happen. Here are the products that I can still return, and this is the product that I cannot return anymore. I can still reprint the shipping label, or I can cancel this because it's a pending return. It was not shipped back. So I can just select the product, then I have to select the reason of the return. So for example, the fit and size, maybe it's too small, and I can add here additional comments if I like to. Continue, and then I have two options. I can either bring it to the store and get the refund there, or I can just simply ship it back. And I think here is the loophole, because if I ship it back, are they going to ship it back? Who knows? Anyways, so I think there's a loophole here, but whatever. They should have set up a logic where, specific products such as electronics, cannot be returned after 90 days. Anyways, select the product, you can hit continue, and you can clearly see, that you're going to be able to download the prepaid shipping return label. And this is going to be deducted from your total, and this is an estimate because additional taxes, whatever can apply. So I can just simply submit this return, and then I have a really nice confirmation page, and I can print this return. And I really like this page because it gives you some instructions how to make the return. It gives you the return label, and it gives you basically like a packing slip. Really nice. And also let me show you how the email looks like. So this is the email with confirmation of your request, and you can reprint your label. It's pretty cool. You can see the products that you're returning, estimated refund, all that, and you can also track your return backwards, which is really nice. Now what I really like here is not that they have a way to track, the customer to track, their return. That is really nice. But I also like that they are taking this extra opportunity to re-engage with the customers, right? So I might return this product, but here are some new arrivals. There are some new gears. Their journal, basically their blog, their expert advices. Maybe I purchased the wrong product, so there's going to be a different one. It's really cool. And this is where most of the retailers are making a huge mistake. First of all, they are not really re-engaging with the customer. They just give them the return label, that's it, you can track it, and the tracking page has only tracking information. And we at With Supply were constantly reminding customers, re-engage with the customer, show them different products, but not just products. Sometimes the customer is not ready to make the next purchase, but you can re-engage with them in so many other ways. Look how they did it here. New arrivals, okay, if you want to shop, pretty cool. But then tips, videos, articles, then the journal, where basically they have stories, basically a blog. Different exclusive gears, or maybe, just get a gift card, that can be a really great way, to engage, you make an extra sale, but, it's a gift card that you can give it to somebody. It's not just about sales, sometimes, educating the customer can take you way further than just, trying to sell them. Anyways, really well done. I really like how REI does basically everything, I love their emails, their communications. I think it's really nice. I think it's a great experience, and the really cool thing is you get this amazing experience not just online, but also in stores, and the store experience is phenomenal. If you enjoyed this short segment, here is another short segment to watch, or if you want to watch the entire experience, make sure you click here. See you guys next time.